Yeah, hello, Martin here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm up in West Horsley and super excited to share with you the news that we're working alongside Brookworth Home developers, and this is our first studio installed on one of their brand new developments. So as you may well have seen in other bits of our news, that we are now working with a few developers, but really excited to be on board with Brookworth Homes. And this is the first studio fully finished. It's an empty box in here, but I will show you around. The reason is we don't know how the client's going to use it yet, but we've got that space ready to go. I think they're midpoint in the purchase, but this lovely Kite pre-designed with the full drop glass at the front is 3.5 meters wide. 3.1 meters deep. Like I say, rare we just show you an empty box, but because we don't know how the client wants to use it yet, I haven't furnished it, but it's lined, insulated, double glazed, all the things you would imagine from us. So it's that extra living space and separate from the house. And that's what we're finding, that that even brand new homes are wanting this separate space. So here at the Hamptons, there's some beautiful houses here, and we are having options on studios on every single one of the plots. Some we're going to be working with by actually doing as we have here and installing the building ready to go, but on others actually we're going to be engaging with clients and like getting a credit from Brookworth essentially, and then we can work with them directly to see what exactly they want, size, spec and things like that. So it's a really exciting development. There'll be much more news about this as we move forwards, and lots more on other sites that they've got going on. I think they've got about 4 or 5 developments going on at the moment, and we're working with all of them. But for now, this is our 3.6 by 3.1 Kite pre-design, and lovely big bifolded, big French doors here opening up this lovely space to be ready to be used for the new purchaser of this property. How very exciting! Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe to what we do, and share your notes below. We're really excited about this and really want to shout about it. Thank you.